Lincoln. Bye, Tesla. I'm going to Chicago right now. This is a travel day, and we're gonna hopefully find some pizza. So, goodbye, Lincoln.
Goodbye.
I'll see you tomorrow night. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. So here's what's happening. Google invited me to come out with them to State Farm Insurance to speak to them about influencer marketing, about YouTube, and just have a fun time with these people. So I'm excited to meet all these people, and it's just a short trip. Valentine's Day is on Wednesday. I need to get back before that, so I'm coming back at 9 o'clock. I've got Hunter with me, and we're gonna go just have some fun. So we land at 9 o'clock tonight and we fly home tomorrow at like 6 p.m. And there's a 2-hour drive to Bloomfield, Illinois. So not much time for anything, but there is a Giordano's pizza about 5 minutes from our hotel, and it is the best pizza. My favorite pizza in the world. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been to Giordano's, if you ever had real Chicago style pizza, because there's really nothing else like it in the world. It is so good. Oh, and by the way, what is this Tesla? Look at this. This is a Model S, it's a loaner, and it's a P85. It's really fast, 0 to 60. So anyway, super fun. And yeah, enjoy travel montage to Chicago. Okay, so I am in TSA pre and in first class. Hunter is in general boarding. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna see, there's not much of a line, check it out. Not much of a line. We're gonna see which one is faster and by how much if you go through TSA pre versus just general. So I've got my timer here, you got yours ready?
Yep.
Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's see which one's faster and by how much. He's close.
Find out.
He might actually beat me. I mean, look at this line. Both of them, big old lines. Definitely beat him. Now the question's gonna be, how much did I beat him by? About to find out. Oh, I didn't stop my timer. Shoot, stop. I'm stopping it right there. 5 minutes, 38 seconds. It was probably closer to 5 minutes. That's not bad. That was a bit longer than what it usually is. All right, let's see it. Set that timer. 8:51 versus 5:38. I thought you had me for a second there.
Yeah, it slowed down
so
a ton.
he
And
was
the
beating
drone
me.
was a huge thing.
Why? Did they stop you?
Yeah, they had to run it.
Oh, the drone.
So-
That's my fault. That I put it in his bag, but still think I would have won.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is Delta's pleasure to welcome you to Chicago.
It's a bit empty here. Not much going on. We need to find our rental car. We're gonna go to the hotel. We gotta get some pizza before this place closes. Woo, it's cold in Chicago. There we are. We have the choice between these two cars. Does this say full size? Mid-size, full size. Oh, we just have this option. This is our car. This is the only car. If you ever come to Chicago or you have a layover that's longer than 2 hours, you must come to Giordano's. I'm serious. Just wait, we're gonna show you the full experience of what we get. First thoughts. We just brought it to the table. Have you ever had pizza like this before?
No,
Look at this, guys. Can you smell that?
just so grateful to be here.
It looks kind of like, it's like a Valentine's Day heart. We have a heart pizza. First piece goes to Hunter. Oh, yeah, okay, I'm just dropping it. Oh, I just dropped it. I didn't mean to drop it like that. Wait, you gotta have a good one for your first piece.
Okay.
Here you go. Okay, some cheese. Don't forget about the cheese.
It just keeps coming.
We got all meat and more, I think it's called. So there's lots of meat in it. First thoughts?
So worth it.
It's good, right? Pizza does not look good on camera, but believe me, that's good. It's a lot of pizza. We got the medium size, the 14-inch, and she's like, oh, it's just the two of you? You don't need the medium size. And then we got it, and we ate pretty much the entire thing. So that's pretty funny. The thing is, the cheese is like the cheesiest cheese. They probably get it from Wisconsin, where the cheese is really good. The dough is not like any other pizza crust that you would ever have before. It's hard to describe other than just say, come get it. But the one thing to not do, which is something that I learned early on when I first started coming to Chicago, is I love Hawaiian pizza. I love pineapple on pizza, and it does not taste good with Chicago style pizza. It just doesn't. It's not good. Get lots of meat if you want to get like mushrooms on it. It's actually really good. Oh, that was good. Now off to our hotel. Is it 11?
11:15, but for us it'd be like 10.
Oh, it's 11. Okay, it's super late. Here's the view out of my window. That's a DoubleTree hotel. I'm staying in the Embassy Suites. The DoubleTree is awesome because they give you free cookies. And when we were there in Hawaii, I'm not sure if we put this in the vlog, Lincoln and Zach would go and get cookies like 7 times a day from down below. I accidentally went to this hotel earlier tonight because I thought it was Embassy Suites, and the guy said, sorry, wrong hotel, but he gave me a free cookie. So DoubleTree Hotel, you guys know what you're doing. Tomorrow should be an interesting day. We're gonna go to Bloomfield, Illinois to State Farm headquarters. They've done some really cool things, like Chris Paul videos, Blake Griffin, Lindsey Sterling, they did something with her. They have some really good TV commercials. And so I'm excited to talk to them about my experience on YouTube. In no way am I like some expert or anything, but it is nice for them to hear from like a real creator. And it's cool when brands are open to saying, hey, we want to talk to a real creator. Tell us what it's like. Oh, and for the giveaway, we want to give away all 5 of those What's Inside posters. We're going to do that in the next day or 2, so stay tuned, and we're going to pick out the winners and ship those 5 posters out because we don't need to have them. We definitely want you guys to have them. So anyway, there's a random vlog today. Pizza, travel, hotel. That's a vlog day. Let me know if you want us to have more vlogs of just random things of our day. Obviously this is me on the road, but I'm wondering if we should start doing some more vlogs just at the house and just showing our random life and the things that we do. We do some pretty fun things. This weekend we lost Peachy for 2 days and we finally found her last night. Just like random stuff like that. Sometimes I feel like I just want to, whenever I see it, I just want to share it with you guys because we already share so much with you. But let us know what your thoughts are. Anyway, thanks for watching.